Hey guys, we are rethinking Bitcoin and let's talk about the Bitcoin price today, how it is tanking, how it has fallen like $3,000 over the course of less than 12 hours. What do we do about this, guys? Let's keep our cool, let's not panic sell, and let's come up with a very strategic way to benefit from these fallen prices. This is going to be good, guys. So let's get into it. What up, peeps? It is a beautiful day in Bitcoin today. Look at this red that we're encountering just today. Break this down. Let me look at it on an hourly scale. And it looks like, well, we've dropped, about $3,000 over the course of, since about, what time is that? 9 o'clock last night till not even 9 o'clock this morning yet. So in the span of 12 hours, we had a nice little pullback of about 3,000 some change. This is not an issue for those of us that are in a wallet, these yield generating Bitcoin wallets. So for those of you that know, you're benefiting from it. For those of you that don't know, guys, do not look at this opportunity as a time to panic sell. Do not start losing your positions out of Bitcoin, especially if you purchased it at a higher cost. Okay? If you purchased it up here, do not panic sell. Looks like we might be reaching a double bottom, and it looks like it might break an area of support. Hey, it's possible. This is Bitcoin. But the thing is, in this stage of the game, everyone's focus should be on accumulating more Bitcoin, especially us as smaller investors, not institutional investors, not the hedge funds and the ETF firms and all that who are gobbling up Bitcoin so they can manipulate the price. No, let us as the small guys start investing in a more strategic fashion so that we can actually benefit from the number one king of crypto, which is Bitcoin. So if you've found yourself in a position where you've purchased more Bitcoin, or if you're even thinking about selling, don't do it, guys, because there is a better alternative for you. And it exists today, and it's been out for about 2 months. And that is this yield generating Bitcoin wallet. You guys come out here, check it out. I know tons of people think, oh, it's a scam, it's a scam. All you have to do is go out to my video, check other user reviews, test out the system for yourself. And I'm going to show you an example of one of the wallets that I created, which I call a poor man's wallet, where I only put in like $50, the minimum 0.0007 Bitcoin, put that in, and I have over doubled that over the course of a month. So if you are sitting on Bitcoin, however much Bitcoin you're sitting on, you might be sitting on thousands of dollars in Bitcoin. Well, it would be in your interest to try out these wallets here, even if you take $50 of that, just to test it out and see for yourself. Look at the fees to transact in Bitcoin right now. They are extremely low. So that should not be an excuse not to transfer funds in and out of this wallet. And keep in mind, guys, when you put your Bitcoin in, you will pay a 10% fee on that deposit, but you're going to earn 18% in credits, giving you a net benefit of And you can pull whatever other Bitcoin out if you want to, or you can go into the marketplace. So speaking of such things, let me head on over there and show you my poor man's wallet that I created. And I made a deposit, a single deposit on March the 27th. We are now April the 30th. And I put in that minimum deposit required of 0.0007 Bitcoin. Today, that's valued at $42.82. Now, I could have just done nothing and held that Bitcoin. I think at the time it was worth like $45, $48 or something like that. Now the price of Bitcoin is pulled back and it's going down and has a current valuation of $42 and some change. Well, when I came out, made the deposit, and then start purchasing credits from the marketplace, which if I come out here now, I'm seeing discounts. And these essentially, guys, are discounts that you will be getting on Bitcoin. You're buying credits and those credits are converting into Bitcoin, and you can get some significant discounts in this area. But nevertheless, I came out, I deposited $45 worth of Bitcoin, and currently, when you add these two numbers together, I have a valuation of $94 worth of Bitcoin. And that's just in a little over a month, 3 days over a month. Okay. I have over doubled my deposit. Now, I am just one person speaking on this. Hit my channel, inquire, ask of other people that leave comments in my channel, and they'll be able to share their true and honest experience with you guys. And like I say, you don't have to dump in tons of money. This system is designed to pay out whether you put in a little or a lot. It really doesn't matter. It pays out evenly to everyone. Okay. So all you guys out there that might be getting a little bit saddened or depressed by this pullback. Now, in the realm of technical analysis, this is actually a healthy thing. This is something that we should all be looking forward to, and that is a nice pullback because this gives us better buying opportunities. As these prices pull back, we can purchase Bitcoin for less. We can dollar cost average in, or whatever the case is, whatever your strategy is. But do not come in with a strategy of selling your Bitcoin unless you're selling it at a profit. Okay, do not lose money. You don't have to do that anymore, guys. If the price starts pulling back, come out, check out these yield generating Bitcoin wallets, and you will be glad that you did, because this will more than cover over the course of time. It will more than cover any pullbacks that you will see in the Bitcoin market. Okay. And at the end of the day, you are going to walk away with more Bitcoin than you came in with. All right. So I just wanted to drop this video to make you guys aware. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the description. Please guys, check out the comments and see what other people are saying about this project. And also the link to this website or a white label of the website is in the description. There's a Medium article that kind of talks about how the wallet works, how it's designed to be sustainable, and how it generates yield the way that it does. And keep in mind, guys, this is not an 8% APY, meaning if you were to put in $1,000 today, you'll get out $80 in 365 days. No, that ain't how it's going to work. You put in $1,000 today, you're going to pay $100 in taxes. You can take out $900. So technically you made a $100 investment, right? And then this 8% is going to pay out well within a fraction of a year, right? So it's not APY, it's 8% on your deposit. And this adjusts from month to month. So it will likely go down to 7% once we're a few days into May. But nevertheless, this is some significant yield that you can benefit from. And at the end of the day, if you really want to purchase more credits, you can always, once you're in the system, come out to the marketplace and make purchases of credits that will convert into Bitcoin over the course of time. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.